Hey, TD. We're going to ask you a few questions. Is that all right?
Okay.
What was the first thing you did at work this morning?
Well, I logged onto my computer and logged on to Dynamics 365 Business Central, and I started doing some ordering.
What's your favorite Business Central feature?
You know, I really love Power BI. It's embedded right in there. It's great to use.
In cloud or on-premise?
I would definitely have to say the cloud. I'm not very technical, so I don't like to manage my own server.
Best Microsoft event you ever attended?
I'd have to say Directions. It was very informative.
What's your favorite Microsoft product?
I'd probably have to say Office 365.
Manufacturing industry or process chemical manufacturing industry?
Manufacturing.
All right. And would you rather win lifetime access to Office 365 or Dynamics 365?
That's a tough question, but I think I'm going to go with Office 365.
Microsoft employee you'd like to meet the most?
Definitely Satya Nadella.
And what's the best piece of advice you can give a company looking for ERP software?
I'd say Call Solution Systems.
What's it like working with Stephen and Michael?
No comment.
In one sentence, will artificial intelligence take over mankind?
Watch iRobot, then you tell me.